उत्तर प्रदेश के प्रयागराज में दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा धार्मिक आयोजन चल रहा है। इसमें शामिल होने दुनिया भर के साधु संत और उनके अनुयायी संगम नगरी पहुंचे हुए हैं। वाराणसी के शक्तिधाम आश्रम से साईं मां के शिष्य 45 दिनों तक चलने वाले इस आयोजन में शामिल होने और पवित्र स्नान करने के लिए पूरी दुनिया से आए हैं। साईं मां को जगत गुरु साईं मां लक्ष्मी देवी के नाम से भी जाना जाता है। ये आध्यात्मिक गुरु और शिक्षिका हैं। आध्यात्मिक ज्ञान पर अपनी शिक्षाओं के लिए वे अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर मशहूर हैं। 2007 में अर्ध कुंभ मेले के दौरान जगत गुरु साईं मां लक्ष्मी देवी को वैष्णव साधु समाज ने भक्तिमती मीराबाई की उपाधि से सम्मानित किया था।
First, I did not know I was going to be what I am today. Not only I did not know, I have a sense that I have pushed it away. It's just like keeping coming. At a point, the humanness shift. It emerged itself with Atma. Then it's like the personality doesn't do anything. You become like a flute and the Atma will do and create and go here and there.
महाकुंभ मेले में अपने अनुभव को बताते हुए साईं मां के अनुयायियों ने कहा कि वे कुंभ का हिस्सा बनकर धन्य महसूस कर रहे हैं।
The Ma's group is amazing. Being here at the Kumbh is a very special experience. We're all having a wonderful time, and the Indian people are beautiful and so warm and accepting. And Ma is our guru. She's extraordinary. She's magic.
Amazing. Such a blessing to be here among all those people, those sadhus, those gurus. Blessings.
I feel amazing. I feel in the spiritual path, spiritual advance, more spiritual advance right now.
I feel so blessed to be here. This is amazing. The energies, the Shakti, the people, everything is amazing.
महामंडलेश्वर के पद पर पदोन्नत किए गए कई विदेशी शिष्यों ने अपने जीवन में आए बदलावों के बारे में बात की।
I've always asked myself the question, what is this life purpose for? Well, how do I live a joyful life? How do I alleviate suffering for myself and for others? And in meeting my guru, Jagat Guru Sai Ma, and being in her ashram Shakti Dham, through the path of Sanatam Dharma, I've discovered how to live a joyful life. And not only for myself, but to spread the teachings so others can realize, discover, and become aware of the divinity within themselves. For me, this is Sanatam Dharma.
I was a psychologist, and still in the U.S., I am a psychologist. I have students and I have clients, so I work with young people who are suffering like I was. So they're taking drugs, they're taking alcohol, they suffer from depression, anxiety, and I work with them and bring Sanatam Dharma to them so that they can live happier and more joyful. And the biggest thing that I teach my clients and how they find happiness, every single one of them, if they do this one thing and one thing only, feel their heart. And just for a moment, you just feel your heart.
साधु संतों का कहना है कि आध्यात्मिक ज्ञान ने न सिर्फ उन्हें रास्ता दिखाया है, बल्कि दूसरों को भी राह दिखाने के लिए प्रेरित किया है।
Well, the Mahakumbh is an incredible place to be. I hear there's 400, 500 million people coming to this Mahakumbh Mela, and this is 4 times the whole population of Japan. So it is an immense amount of people all coming to one place for the purpose of connecting with Atma, for connecting Sitaram, Ram, Krishna, and to be able to feel that in the heart, feel that love, that devotion in the heart. And we carry this with us. All the land carries this, and we feel it in our cells.
The one point is meeting my guru, Jagat Guru Sai Ma, and that was 30 years ago. And that changed my life because I felt this huge prem, love inside of me that I had never felt before. And that's really what my life and our life is about that love. Well, I've been teaching around the world. So I started in the U.S. and then I've moved around. Since I speak French, I also teach in French-speaking countries. So I'm spreading the teachings.
धैर्य, समर्पण और आध्यात्म के जरिए साईं मां और दुनिया भर में फैले उनके अनुयायी हिंदू धर्म के संदेश को लोगों तक पहुंचाने में जुटे हैं। वे दूसरों को आध्यात्म का रास्ता दिखा रहे हैं